Okay, we're on problem number 2 in your student handbook for speed made good. So I'm going to start by determining what is it that they want to know. So it says number 2, it says at 11:20 you depart Race Rock Light. This is over here, okay. At 12:55 you find yourself at position 4110 north by longitude 7150 west. What was your speed made good? So what do they want to know? They want to know how fast I was going, what was my speed when I traveled between those 2 points. So the very first thing I'm going to do is draw the triangle. Okay, I don't draw one triangle and solve 10 problems. I draw 10 problems. I draw 10 triangles, so I commit it to memory. Okay, so they want to know the speed. So the formula for speed is distance divided by time equals speed. So I like to write those words. Distance divided by time, meaning travel time, equals speed. Because that's the steps to solving the problem. So first step, find the distance. So what do? I plot the 2 places. So the first place is already on the chart. It says Race Rock Light. Okay, so I'm going from Race Rock Light to 4110 north by 7150. Okay, so 4110 is already on the chart. Okay, 4110, okay, by 7150, which is also on the chart. So I don't even have to really plot that. It's here. I'm going to just put a circle around it so I remember where it is, and then I measure the distance. Okay. Well, that distance, just looking at it, I can already say it's bigger than my dividers will go. So when I get a situation like that, I'll usually open my dividers to a round number like 5, because I can very quickly in my head go 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. So I've got them open to 5 miles. All right. I put them on Race Rock, and I'm going over here. Okay. So I'm going to simply go in a nice straight line, 5 miles. Whoops, I moved them, I didn't mean to. 5 miles, okay. I pivot it, and there's 10 miles, okay. And I pivot it again, and now I close it down till I'm on my mark. So it's 10 plus whatever that is. Okay, so it's going to be 10 plus 0.9. So it's 10.9. So I'm going to go with 10.9 for my distance. Okay, then I've got to divide it by my time. So again, they gave me 2 times. Okay, 11:20 and 12:55. I always write the larger number on top. Okay, the hours are never going to change, so I'm not going to deal with the hours. I'm only going to deal with the minutes. So I'll grab my calculator, okay, and I'll take the minutes, there's 55 of them, and turn them into tenths of an hour. So 55 divided by 60 is 0.91. So I've got 12 hours and 91 tenths of an hour. Okay, same thing here. I've got 11 hours and 20 minutes. So I only care about the 20 minutes. I'm going to go 20 divided by 60 should be 0.33. Okay, and now I'm going to simply subtract. So I'm going to do 12.91 minus 11.33 gives me 1.58 hours. 1.58 hours. Okay, and I can put that right into the problem. 1.58 equals the speed. So now I'm simply going to finish the math. 10.9 divided by 1.58 equals 6.89, which I'll call 6.9. 6.9. Okay, 8.9, I'm going to round that up to 6.9, and I'll look to see if 6.9 is an answer. Well, I've got 6.8. That's pretty close. I had 6.89, which I rounded up. apparently they did not in the problem. Okay, or maybe they measured the distance being slightly different. One 10.7, 10.8, would have yielded you a slightly different answer. But it's close enough.